Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to Clear Skin and Wellbeing. And so today I thought I would do something a little different. As you can see at the moment I am in my kitchen, a couple of dogs there, and I thought we'd go into the garden and pick some wild garlic. Now I do realise it's being, it's on its last legs basically. There's still plenty around and it has been flowering for the last few weeks, but there's still plenty of leaves. So we're going to pick some leaves and make some garlic pesto, sort of my variation, which is extremely easy and basic. If you'd like to subscribe, please like and please share, and let's take a tour around my garden and pick some garlic leaves. So we're just going to go through my kitchen. Now it has just finished raining, and I need to take a little walk . Now I actually have like a copse with plenty of wild garlic, so hopefully we can get something there. Let's show you the garden. Dogs. Right, keep going. Oh, just quickly show you, these are very sweet, some different types of bluebells in amongst the ground elder. And lots of cow parsley at the moment, which is going to be flowering soon. Now here we are, leading up to what I have is a copse. So there's plenty, if you can see, wild garlic all flowering, and there's plenty of little small ones here for another time. So we're going to just pick some leaves. I'll go a bit further in and we'll pick some from here, I think. So get some from there, and you just want to pick really a good handful. Maybe one more lot. Right, and let's take this back into the house. Oh, tractor. Always sets my dogs off. I think somewhere we also have a cat. Right, so here we are back into my kitchen, and I thought I'd just quickly show you my kitchen. It's very country-like. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to wash our wild garlic thoroughly. Right, so I've now washed the garlic leaves. So what we're going to do is we're just going to break them apart a bit, make them a bit smaller, and put them into our blitzer. Doesn't matter if you've got some water in there as well from where you've been rinsing, that's fine. Now you can take I don't tend to measure, you can take as many as you like, just depends what you've got. And then once we've done that, I'm going to add in some walnuts. Now, looking at other recipes, a lot of people use hazelnuts, but to be honest, I didn't have any hazelnuts in the house, so I'm using walnuts. You don't have to have, if you have a nut allergy, for instance, just omit the walnuts. You don't have to have walnuts or any other form of nut. But I've got some, just a handful basically here, because I had them in the pantry cupboard. So I'm going to put those in. I'm also going to take some lemon, so I'm going to use half a lemon. So I'm going to cut my lemon in half. And I have a lemon press here, which I just want to show you guys. A lot of people, when they have a lemon press, put their lemon in this way and do that. And that's actually the wrong way to put your lemon in. You always put the lemon the opposite way. So you want to put your lemon upside down so all the juice comes out that way. So just a big squeeze of lemon, that will help preserve it. Now a lot of people, well, majority actually have cheese in theirs. Obviously if you're vegan or if you don't do dairy, you don't want any cheese. So I'm not going to bother with cheese today. I'm going to keep it quite plain. I am going to add in some olive oil. And this should last for a good couple of weeks in the fridge. I'll just put our, take that out, the blade, and it smells absolutely delicious. Obviously, if you don't want to put in any parmesan, you could put in other forms of hard cheese, some hard cheeses, or even some cheddar cheese. As I say, if you're vegan, omit the cheese. And then we're just going to take a spoon, and you want a clean, clear, doesn't have to be clear, but a clean jar. I'm just going to put this into the jar. Clean hands as always. And this is so good for you, really is so good for you. You can put it as a sandwich. Hopefully, if you're doing a salad, it's quite a nice side accompaniment as well. But you can chop and change. There's no rules of what type of cheese you need to use or what type of nuts. You can just go for, as I do, whatever's in my pantry cupboard, to be honest. So I do tend to just see what's around. As I said, just a handful of the garlic leaves, a handful of everything. It just seems to be about enough for one jar. Right, there we are, and that is ready for the fridge. So again, if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe, please like and please share, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you in the next one. Okay, bye.